What up, IC Squad? Gonna be making some slime. I prefer you to use this a liquid hand soap. And I prefer you tropical coconut scent. So you should really use that. Okay, so now you would make some salt. I will be back. Take them out. Okay, I got soap. You need pinches. Under him. And over and here. I got over. That's all I need.
You sure you don't need
No,
one?
I don't need that. That's gonna make it not activate.
It's coming together.
Okay. It's coming together. I'll just show you. I got it, Casimir. Okay. That's what it looks like. Now you just need to put it in the fridge. Oops, slime got in my hand. Okay. Get that slime off of me.
How do you even get it?
I'm gonna just add a little more.
And more?
I don't think. Add more salt. That's it. Good. Okay.
Add color?
Okay, it should be looking like this. Like it should be coming together. Shouldn't be sticky. So now we're gonna put this in the freezer. Now we gotta put this in the freezer. Get the tablet. Huh? Get the tablet. Gonna need music. Gonna be needed.
This is precisely why.
Okay, now we're gonna put this in the freezer for 10 minutes. 1 to 10 minutes. Turn the light on.
I love this song.
And then we gotta put a top on it. Okay, now we gotta put this in for 10 minutes.
You should put don't throw away.
Now let's wait. We'll be back in 10 minutes.
Or not.
Okay, we're back. So we're about to see.
Did you guys like the music?
Yeah, play music while we were waiting.
So let's get it.
I got it. Over here. See if I'm doing it right.
I can't see that.
Yes, I can.
Really pause the signal. This song is in Spanish, so like.
Okay, it should be looking like this. Like you can't stretch it at all, but you should be able to do this.
Now it should like slime a little, but like not a lot. But that girl on YouTube, she was able to like stretch it, like swirl it. But I guess not.
I got it, Casney. You can put it in the freezer overnight. No, not overnight. But you can let it sit overnight. And it'll turn clear. So, that's all we have for the video.